Hello and welcome to our video on understanding crypto wallets. Cryptocurrency has become increasingly popular in recent years, with more and more people investing in digital assets. But with this new technology comes new challenges, including the need to understand crypto wallets. In this video, we will break down everything you need to know about crypto wallets so you can invest in cryptocurrencies with confidence. What is a crypto wallet? A crypto wallet is a digital wallet that is used to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. Unlike traditional wallets that hold physical currency, crypto wallets hold digital assets, and they can be accessed using a private key. There are two main types of crypto wallets: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, while cold wallets are offline and considered more secure. How to choose a crypto wallet? Choosing the right crypto wallet is important to keep your digital assets safe. There are several factors to consider when selecting a crypto wallet, including security, ease of use, and compatibility with different cryptocurrencies. Some popular crypto wallets include hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor, as well as software wallets like Exodus and Mither Wallet. How to use a crypto wallet? Using a crypto wallet involves several steps, including setting up the wallet, managing your private key, and sending and receiving cryptocurrencies. To set up a wallet, you'll need to download and install the wallet software or purchase a hardware wallet. You'll also need to create a secure password and back up your private key. Once your wallet is set up, you can start sending and receiving cryptocurrencies. In conclusion, crypto wallets are an essential tool for anyone looking to invest in cryptocurrencies. Understanding the different types of wallets and how to choose and use them is crucial to keep your digital assets safe. We hope this video has been helpful in providing you with a better understanding of crypto wallets. Thank you for watching.